Good morning, grade 2. How are you today? Our lesson today will be ordering numbers. What's the meaning of ordering numbers? You will put the numbers in order from starting from the greatest number to the least number, or starting from the greatest number to the least starting from the greatest number to the least number, or starting from the least number to the greatest number. Okay, to ordering the numbers, you have to compare between them first to know which number is the greatest number and which number is the least number. Let's start. Here I have the numbers 11, 9, 10. Okay, I want to order these numbers starting from the least number, from the smallest number. I have to find the smallest number. 11, 9, 10. Yes, the smallest number will be here 9. The 9 is the smallest number, so I will start to write 9. Okay. When I start with the least number, I will put the sign less than, because I am starting with the least number. So I will put the sign less than. Okay, I finished 9. I have to find the next smallest number. 11 or 10? Which number is the smallest? 11 or 10? Yes, 10 less than 11. Why? Okay, sorry, we can write it like this. 10, 11, 10 less than 11. Why? Because we have the tens are same, but the ones here 0 and here 1, so the 10 less than. Okay, the next smallest number will be 10. And don't forget to write the sign less than. The final number will be 11. So we can read this as 9 less than 10 and 10 less than 11. Now, this order from the least to the greatest. Let's see another example. 30, 34, 32. In this question, I want to order these numbers starting from the greatest number or the biggest number to the least number. Okay, I have to find the greatest number. Let's compare between them. We said that we should start to compare starting from the left side, starting from the tens. Here the tens are equal, 3, 3, 3. Okay, let's go to the ones. Here we have 0, and we have 4, and we have 2. Which number is the greatest number? Yes, the number with 4 in one's place. So the greatest number will be 34. طيب, here we are starting with the greatest number, so you should put the sign greater than. In the previous question, we start from the least number, so you will put the sign less than. Here we are starting with the greatest number, so you will put the sign greater than. We finished 34. Okay, I want here the second greatest number. I have to find the second greatest number from these two numbers, 30 or 32. Okay, the tens are equal, 3 and 3. Let's see the ones. The ones here 0 and the ones here 2. So the next greatest number is 32. And don't forget to put the sign greater than, because we are starting from the greatest number. The last one will be 30. Okay? Okay, now we have 55, 25, 52. This order from least to greatest. Start from the least number. We have to find the least number. To find the least number, we have to compare between these three numbers. Let's start to compare. Let's start with the tens. The tens here 5, 2, 5. So 2 here, smallest number, the smallest number ever. So we will start with 25. Okay, the order from the least, so you will put the sign greater than or less than. Less than. Okay, we finished. 25. I have to find the second smallest or least number. 52 or 55. Let's compare between them. The tens here 5 and the tens here 5 equals. Let's see the ones. The ones here 5 and the ones here 2. So 2 less than 5. So the next smallest number or the next least number will be 52. Cross it out. And don't forget to write less than sign. The last number will be 55. This is the greatest number. And this is the least number or the smallest number. Okay. Next one. 91, 19, 90. I want the order from the greatest to the least. From the greatest, I have to find the greatest number. Okay, let's compare between them to find the greatest number. The tens, we start to compare from the tens. Here the tens 9, 1, 9. Oh, I have two numbers with 9 in tens. 90 and 91. So I have to find the greatest number. 19 is the smallest one, because here I have 1 in the tens. So I will let this number and start to compare between the other numbers. 90 and 91, I will have to find the greatest number. Let's compare between them again. Here I have 9 in the same tens. I have the same number in the tens, 9 and 9. So I will compare between the ones. The ones here 1 and the ones here 0. So the greatest one will be the number with the ones with 1 in the ones place. So it will be 91. Okay, the order here from the greatest. The order here from the greatest. So I will put the sign greater than. I finished 91, so I will cross it out. Okay, I have to find the next greatest number. We said that we have the 19 is the smallest number, because here we have the tens 9 and the tens here 1. So the next or the second greatest number will be 90. I will cross it out and write the sign greater than. The last number will be 19. So the greatest number will be 91. The least number will be 19. Okay, final question. 47, 40, 43. I will order these numbers using the two orders, from the least to greatest and from greatest to least. طيب, I have to find the least number. To find the least number, I have to compare between these numbers. How we can compare between them? Start to compare from the tens. The tens 4, 4, 4 equals. So we will going now to the ones. Okay, the ones here 7, 0, 3. Okay, the order here from least. So which number is the smallest number? 7, 0 or 3? 0. So 40 will be the least number. Cross it out. And the order here is starting from the least, so I will write the sign less than. Okay, the next smallest number or the next least number will be what? The number with 7 in ones or the number with 3 in ones? The number with 3 in ones, because 3 less than 7. So 43 will be the next number, and don't forget to write less than sign. Cross 43 out. So finally we have 47. طيب, I want to write these numbers, the same numbers but with different order from the greatest to least. You can compare between these numbers again, or you can start from the right side. I want the greatest number, so the greatest number will be 47. And the ordering here starting from the greatest, so I will write greater than. The next number will be 43, and the last one will be 40, and don't forget to write the greater than sign. Okay, grade 2, this is our lesson for today. I hope you understand. Have a good day. Bye bye.